Starting with smartphones to bringing power banks, earphones, smart band, and finally the smartwatch, Realme is definitely trying to create its own ecosystem of products. And as always, they have priced this smartwatch very competitively. But is this the right watch to go for? Well, let's find out in this video. My name is Saurav Nahar, you're watching All About Technologies. Let's begin. Starting with the unboxing, Realme watch comes in this long yellow box, and inside the box you also get this user manual which has bunch of details, so you should definitely check out before using the watch. Lastly, you get this magnetic charger which you have to plug into your power adapter to charge the watch. Now talking about the build and design, the dial has this plastic housing and the strap is made of soft touch silicon. Now even though the dial is made out of plastic, it's built well, and the button to the side is also clicky and nice. Now I don't know what kind of glass is being used here on the display, but after 10 to 15 days of usage, I can see some minor scratches here, nothing major. And overall, I have no complaints with the build of this smartwatch. Now in terms of design, there is a chrome finish on the sides of the dial which gives it a nice look to the otherwise basic looking watch. Branding on this watch is very subtle and one might not even notice it, so that's good. But what's not good is the disproportionate bezels around the display, and I wish the bezels were a bit smaller. Now I have been using this smartwatch for the last 10 to 15 days and it is comfortable for the most part, but honestly I don't like wearing it during the night time because it irritates me personally, and that is something I won't really do once I'm done with this video. But for now, I feel this watch is pretty comfortable and it shouldn't bother you guys. Talking about the display, it's a 1.4-inch TFT LCD display with a pixel density of 320 by 320. Viewing angles on this one is decent. Also, blacks are not that deep like you would get to see on AMOLED display, but for the price, you can't complain. Outdoor visibility in direct sunlight is good, so that shouldn't be a problem. Talking about the battery life, the smartwatch lasted me for about 4 to 4.5 days with 100% charge, and I feel that is pretty decent in my opinion. It is nothing great. Apart from that, if we talk about the charging time, it took about 2 to 2.5 hours to charge this watch from 0 to 100%. Now let's take a look at the UI and features. Swiping down will reveal notification, and earlier it used to only show one notification and nothing before that. But with the recent update, this issue was finally addressed and now you can see up to 10 notifications. So suppose if you get 11 messages, it will just show you the latest 10 notifications that you have received. Oh yes, one more thing, if you turn on any activity mode, the watch will just vibrate once if any call or notification comes in, and you won't be able to see it until and unless you end the session. Which means you will have to get your phone to see who called or texted you. I don't know why they did this, but all I can say is Realme fix this as soon as possible. Now swiping up will reveal all the options. First is workout, where you can select from the 14 workout options that you get. Realme has also included activities like cricket, badminton, basketball, football, and few more. But there is no option to track swimming activity, which I would have loved to see on this smartwatch. Now yes, this watch does have IP68 rating, but it is just up to 1.5 meters, which is approx 5 feet. So maybe because of that, they don't want you to take it for a swim and track it. Now I have had it on my wrist while taking shower and nothing happened to the watch as expected, all thanks to IP68 rating. Now for those who like running, there is no built-in GPS, so the watch will need the GPS on your phone to track. Now you also have options to monitor blood oxygen level, which no other watch in this segment have, so that's good. It also monitors heart rate and sleep, and I feel it is more or less accurate with that. You can also control music of your Bluetooth earphones, but that is only possible if you have Bluetooth 5.0 on your smartphone, as that will allow you to connect two devices at the same time. So if you have Bluetooth 5.0, you can pair both the devices at the same time and you can control the music using this smartwatch. Now, in case of wired earphones, you can obviously do it on any smartphone. This watch can also be used as a shutter button for clicking pictures, so that can come in handy at a lot of times. Lastly, I counted the steps while walking and I checked it on the watch a couple of times and it was more than 95% accurate. So here is my verdict. Just like any other product in the market, even the Realme watch is not perfect and there are a few things that I didn't like. First is notifications. Earlier, it used to just show you one notification. I know it is crazy, but just one notification. But now recently they have pushed out an update and now you can see 10 notifications, which is like way better than one notification, so that's good. But I wish I could see all the notifications that I'm receiving on my phone on this smartwatch, and let me like clear the notification if I want. So that would be just great, but let's see if they'll do it or not in the future updates. Apart from that, Other issue that I have is once again with the notification, but in activity mode. You can't really see who is actually calling or texting you when you are in activity mode. And I don't know why they have done that, but yeah, that is an issue, and you will have to either end the activity or you'll have to take out your phone. So that is the second issue. And the third issue is software experience. It is not very smooth. I feel it is a bit laggy at times. So if they can improve that, that would be just great. The watch faces are pretty limited right now on this smartwatch. You get about 10 to 15 watch faces right now, I believe. I don't know the exact number, but yeah, they are very limited, and you can only have about 5 to 6 at a time on this smartwatch. So if you want to replace them, you'll have to do it with the Realme Link application. And to be honest, I just like 2 or 3 watch faces out of all these 10 to 15 watch faces. So I just hope that they will add the watch faces pretty soon. And apart from that, there's no built-in GPS, and you can't really use this smartwatch for tracking swimming activity. So these are some of the things that I didn't like about this smartwatch. So if they bother you, then definitely this watch is not for you. But if you don't mind these issues, and if you're fine with all these issues, then you should definitely go ahead and buy this watch, because there are quite a lot of good things also about this smartwatch. You can track a lot of things like heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep activity, steps. So you can do all of that, and you can also see your notifications, and you can cut your call if you don't want to take out your phone. You can just do it from the watch. So yeah, there are good things about this watch as well. But as I said, if you mind all those issues and if you are not fine with all those cons, then yeah, you can check out something else like the Amazfit Bip S watch. That is like a very good option in my opinion, and you should definitely consider that option as well, and compare both of these watches and decide which one is perfect for you, because that one offers you slightly better battery life. You will get more watch faces. You can also use that watch for tracking your swimming activity. So yeah, definitely check that out. And as always, both the links will be there in the description box. Do use my link if you are planning to buy any of the watches. That will just help out the channel. Make sure to give this video a like if you found this video helpful, and if you are new to the channel here, then make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you get notified about more such amazing reviews. And make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and do check out the giveaway that I'm running right now on the channel. Link is there in the description box. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. This is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.